Hey guys, it's Gaps and welcome back to my channel. It is vlog number 3 and today I am at Coron Palawan! Yay! So, today it is day number 1 and I am planning to vlog my whole stay here. At first, inisip ko if I won't or I will because like, I'm not that good in vlogging yet. But then, I wanna try though. I wanna document this trip as much as I can. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Hello everyone! So, today, it is our first day in Palawan and we are at our first destination, which is the souvenir shop. So, just going around, checking out things that we want to buy. May bibilin ka ba? Eh, ba't tayo nandito? So, we are at location number 2. What's the name again?
Mount Tapias.
We're at Mount Tapias and we're climbing the stairs. There's like 700 something. And, ilang steps na tayo? Basta, we're over the 100 mark na. And, it's hot. And we're getting tired already. Maybe around 200 already or 300. But we have a lot more to go. So, update. I just passed the 400 mark and I'm super tired already. It's so hot pa, but like the view is nice though. 300 more steps to go. Okay, ang lapit ko ng matapilok. But yeah, 300 more steps to go. All for the vlog. At first, dapat di na ako sasama. Dapat doon lang ako sa car. But then they said nice yung view. Kita yung buong Palawan. So, I just chose to hike up the mountain for you guys. Lapit na guys. I can see hope. Ayun na yung letters. Wait. There. Over there. Whew. Okay. 600 steps. Almost there. 100 more. Let's go. Hi guys! So it is day 2 here in Coron and for today's agenda, we are going on a safari tour. We are here at Kalawit Game Reserve and Wildlife Sanctuary. So, there are giraffes and zebras and I'm gonna take you guys on a tour with me. So, for our first destination, we are here at the place where there are giraffes. So, we're gonna be feeding them. And they do it by batch. We're gonna be next after the people doing it now. But, oh my gosh! Guys, Okay, it's my first time seeing giraffes. Wait, let's go over here para mas makita. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Do you guys see that? Oh, it's a giraffe! Oh my gosh, cute! Guys, wala silang cage. They're just out here walking. Oh my gosh, it's over there. Oh my gosh, guys. Cool. There are more over there. Come on, let's go there. Kinda look like statues because the ones over there are not moving. But hello, hello over there. So we're gonna be going inside there to feed them.
Ang dami nakakatakot. Nakakagaling ako.
Ang parang.
Hi everyone! So, we're going to the open area this time. So we get to have a close encounter with the zebras. And the giraffes are busy. They're eating, so the zebras are here. And they're not the usual zebras that you see on TV. They're a different breed, type. I don't know. They're the small ones. They look like donkeys. They're cute. I'll show you. There. We are done with the safari tour and we are at an island called Bass Island. It's super pretty here. The water is very clear and it's very clean as well. And it has white sand. And yeah, we are gonna go swimming. Good morning guys, it is day number 3 and today we will be going island hopping. So I'll take you guys again with me. I might do a montage, I'm not sure, but for the places that we will be going up a mountain, I might just use my phone because I don't want to endanger my camera. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. everyone! It is day 4 here at Coron and it is our last day as well. So we have nothing planned anymore. We are gonna go to the airport in a few, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then please give this a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed yet to my channel, then please click the subscribe button which is down below. Also, if you want to get notified every time I have a new video up on my channel, then don't forget to click the notification bell, and I hope to see you all in my next video.